Welcome back, Hobby Collectors and Diecast News, to another episode of Curb's Garage. Happy Sunday to you guys. Got a nice little video for you today. We're going to take a look at some mini pickups. Just picked up this Mazda repo, and funny story. As I was thinking about this video, I realized that a lot of these castings that I collect actually have had as real cars. I've had Nova SS Super Sport 73 muscle car. I've had a Ranchero muscle car. I collect muscle cars. I've had a Volkswagen Bug. I drive a Volkswagen Tiguan now. I had 3 different types of Mazda mini pickups. And so, even though I always wanted a Chevy Love pickup, and anyhow, we're going to take a look at them. Here's the Mazda repo. Mine were B series, B2000, B3000. Is where my real vehicles. So I don't know what this repo is. I know there were rotary engines. I never had a rotary engine. But anyhow, here's this one here. And that's from Hot Wheels. And I believe this one is the Matchbox. So maybe that's the first time Hot Wheels put out a Mazda pickup truck, because I haven't, don't remember ever seeing one. It's the first one I ever had. So here's the Matchbox in orange. Here's another one. Also, some of you guys I know are on Instagram. I used to have a Dances with Wave Instagram. I redid it. Now I still have a new one. But my old one ended up being started out as a surfing type of page, and ended up being a diecast, which I had thousands of diecast followers, and then it got hacked and I lost everybody. So anyhow, I made it a new one, and it's called Curb's Garage. Some of you already on there, but for those of you who haven't, it's just like my YouTube page, Curb's Garage. If you want to follow on there, I'll follow you back. Then you can see some still photos. Here's this is a I can't see, it's a little dark. A little Nissan pickup. Looks like a king cab. Pretty cool. And here's this one doesn't say what it is, I'm not sure, but I think it's supposed to be a Nissan pickup. I may be wrong. A lifeguard truck. I put these rubber wheels on it because it was missing the real riders. They seem to work if I push them out. Here's a that Volkswagen from Hot Wheels. I have a friend of mine that actually has one of these. Pretty rare to see a Volkswagen pickup. California, we lower everything. That's not a monster. That's not a monster. That's not a muscle car, unless it's like an Impala or a lowrider or something like that. But pretty cool. It's got the skateboard in the back. Another one of my favorites is this Datsun here. Used to see a lot of these like this in the 70s, early 80s. Like that one. Pretty cool. And here's the mainline Datsun pickup. Looks like a different casting. Kind of a sage enamel green. Blacked out rims. Nothing, pretty empty bed. Here's the same one in a kind of primer gray. And here it is in white. And then here we go. This is my favorite, the Chevy Love truck. And I mentioned this before when I did a video of the Chevy Love truck. I came up with an idea way back in the day, on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, I had a blue one of the first Chevy Love trucks I picked up, and I came up with this traveling Hot Wheels. And I took the truck, took a picture of it in Oceanside at the harbor, where it's at Oceanside in the background. Posted it, sent it to a buddy, and I think it was in Pennsylvania. He posted it somewhere where there was a sign where he was from. And then it kind of went around, went to Canada, went to Florida, it was really neat. It actually came back, and the guy had it pictured with Chick Hearn over at the Staples back then, and then it was photographed next to the Slugger in Kentucky. And anyhow, it's if you hashtag, look up traveling Hot Wheel on Instagram, hashtag traveling Hot Wheel, you can see the story of it. Anyhow, it was this one but in blue. Just a little side story. Here it is in red. By the way, while it was on its travels, it would get customized. It got new wheels. It got some paint work done to it, and all kinds of neat things. So if you check that out, it's pretty funny to see how it came. Its last stop was in I think Bellflower. It came back to California, and a gal has it, and she can't let it go, I guess, or maybe she lost it. I don't know. It is in green. Yeah, I gotta find the blue one, I think, just so I can have them all. Then here's the Zamac. And of course, my favorite's going to be the one in dark purple, and it's the premium with the rubber tires. And that's it for the Diecast mini truck collection. And I'll have another video I'm going to post later on about the Bone Shaker. And I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday, and happy hunting. Peace out.